Now where's the soft circuit?
At the very top.
Yes.
So that's the first one, right?
This is the last one. Oh. I mean volume.